It's the 2nd of July. I'm Jerusha Sukhthiarath, and here are today's news headlines. Gerrie Nel is set to cross-examine Oscar Pistorius' agent. The arrest of 3 SANDF officers is ordered, and a Northwest mother gets 12 life sentences. The state is expected to continue its cross-examination of Oscar Pistorius' agent, Petrus van Zyl, in the North Gauteng High Court today. Prosecutor Gerrie Nel began his cross-examination yesterday, but requested court adjourn early so that he could better prepare himself. Van Zyl testified yesterday that Pistorius had planned to take his girlfriend Reeva Steenkamp to 2 of his athletics meetings in Manchester and Brazil, which was the first time the athlete had asked a girlfriend to accompany him to a sports meeting. The travel plans were discussed 7 days before Oscar shot Reeva. The SA National Defence Force says it's shocked but not surprised that the actions of a trade union led to an order for the arrest of 3 leading SANDF officers for contempt of court. This comes after the North Gauteng High Court yesterday ordered the arrest of Chief of the Defence Force, General Solly Shoke, Chief of the Air Force, Lieutenant General Zakes Mpande Msimang, and Defence and Military Veterans Secretary Sam Gulube. They are, according to the National Defence Union, in contempt of court order, which ordered them to re-employ 4 soldiers dismissed 2 years ago. The 4 soldiers' contracts were terminated in 2012, despite there being 32 vacancies available at the time. With the union's help, the soldiers fought the matter in court, and an order was granted to reinstate them in June, but in July, they had not yet been re-employed. A woman has been handed 12 life sentences for sexual offences against her own children yesterday in the Rustenburg Regional Court. The 37-year-old woman received 6 life sentences for rape and 6 for compelled rape and 20 years imprisonment for 4 other offences. She was also sentenced on 6 counts of abuse and child neglect. An official confirmed the woman and her 51-year-old husband abused their 3 children aged 7, 8 and 15 in Zeerust until the matter was brought to the attention of social workers. For these stories and more, visit news24.com, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.